Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this look using the new Morphe and Lisa Frank palette. This collection is so much fun, so I wanted to do a fun look using this palette. So if y'all want to see how I got it, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with foundation, and today I'm using the Concealer by Tarte, which is my all-time favorite foundation. I just love how lightweight it is, and it's a sheer to medium buildable coverage, and I'm applying it with a damp beauty sponge, which is my favorite way to apply it. And this is one of the sponges from this collection, and I love how big it is because it covers a lot of area, and the other side is pointed, which is perfect for concealer. And now one of my favorite parts, covering up these terrible dark circles. So I'm starting off with a Tarte CC Under Eye Corrector because it's going to correct and kind of counteract that darkness. And then I am going to go on top of it with Shape Tape, which is my all-time favorite concealer, just to give me some extra coverage and to cover up that PG tone from the corrector. And then to blend out the concealer, I'm going to use one of the mini sponges also from this collection. Next, I'm going to set everything with translucent setting powders. For my under eye, I like to use the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, and then lately for my face, I've been using the Seal the Deal Loose Setting Powder from Lawless. For bronzer, I'm using my new favorite, which is the Gucci Powder Bronzer. I know it's expensive, but the Morphe collection's affordable, so I feel like this is a good balance. But anyways, y'all, this product blends out so nice. I love the color, and the packaging is so pretty. But Christmas is right around the corner, so definitely add this to your wish list. Next, I'm using Sweet Sentiment, which is a blush from MAC, and to apply it, I'm using the blush brush from this Lisa Frank collection. And how cute is the pink leopard? Everything in this collection is so cute. I love it. For highlighter, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Loose Highlighter in the shade Sunlight. Whenever I bought it, I thought it was going to be a gold highlighter, but it was pink, which is really pretty, but for my skin tone, I like gold highlighters, and I am using the highlighter brush from this collection. Next, I'm doing my brows, and right now I'm just combing through them with a spoolie just to make sure all the hairs are in place and to get any excess foundation. And lately I've been using two different products. Here I'm using the Benefit Brow Microfilling Pen, which is one of my new favorite products. It makes your brows look microbladed, and it is so easy to use, and it makes them look natural. So that's what I'm doing in the front of my brows because I don't really like a boxy brow in the front. So after I do this, I'm going to go in with my Gucci brow pencil and fill it in the rest of the way. I don't really have to do a whole lot since my brows are hinted, but I just like to kind of give them some shape. I'm starting off with the shade Prancing Eunice. This is going to be my transition color. I always like to build it until it's as dark as I want, and then I'll go back with a clean fluffy brush and blend out the edges. Gonna be honest with y'all, I did try the blending brush from this collection, and to me, I didn't really like it, so I just ended up using my normal Morphe brushes. Staying in that same row of eyeshadow, I'm using Violet and Velvet for my crease. I always do the same thing each step, just build it, and then I will take a clean fluffy brush and just buff out the edges so there are no harsh lines. For my lid, I'm using the shade Rainbow Majesty and just placing it all over, and I like to use a flat dense brush because it really packs on the shadow. I usually line my lower waterline with a black eyeliner, but since I wanted this to be a fun look, I'm using the shade Spotty and Dotty and a flat eyeliner brush to line it today. And now I'm using probably one of my favorite colors in the palette. It is a matte hot pink and it is called Puppy Love, and I'm just going to buff this all the way across my lower lash line. I wanted to add a little bit more color, so I'm mixing two shades, Casey and Camus and Sunflower, and then just popping it on my inner corner. So I felt like the eyeshadow was still missing something, so now I'm taking the shade Sky and just placing it on the outer corner, dragging it into the crease just to blend it all together. Next, I'm just adding some mascara to my lower lashes, and I'm not going to do it to my upper ones because I do have lash extensions, but I am going to just comb through them and make sure they are nice and separated. Whenever I'm completely done with the eyeshadow, I always like to go back and touch up any colors that I want to make a little bit brighter. So I'm going over the pink, and then I usually take my clean fluffy brush and go over the edges one last time as well. I had to finish off the look with a pink lip, so I'm using the Revlon Cushion Lip Tint in the shade 220. So that completes this look. I know it's pretty colorful, but I feel like it's not too bold, so I hope that y'all still like it. But if you want to see the rest of the collection, I do have a video where I show y'all everything, and I swatch the palette so you can see all the colors, so I will link that down below in the description bar. But if you liked this look, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I just started Vlogmas, where I daily vlog every day in December leading up to Christmas, but I will have my normal videos mixed in as well, so you don't want to miss those. But I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.